Hello everyone! Today we are here to talk to you about Atomy's Derma Real Cica set. The name Derma Real Cica comes from a combination of words. Derma comes from the term for our skin, and Cica is derived from the main ingredient in the set, Centella Asetica. This key ingredient is what makes this set ideal for sensitive skin. Centella Asetica is a natural ingredient with a long history of treating wounds. It is a tropical medicinal plant, and it is believed that tigers out in the wild would roll in this plant in order to heal their wounds. This is why it's often nicknamed tiger grass. Thanks to this amazing plant-based ingredient, our Derma Real Cica set has been certified excellent by Dermatest. Now, let's take a look inside, shall we? The set contains only 3 steps: a toner, an ampule, and a cream. We also have a gel cleanser, which is sold separately. The first step is our toner. Infused with Centella calming complex and a highly concentrated herb water, the Derma Real Cica toner hydrates skin and removes impurities. Take a cotton pad and lightly soak it with the toner. Gently sweep across your face. If you have troubled areas, such as rosacea in the cheeks for example, you can hold the soaked cotton pad against the area to help calm down the skin. Next up is the ampule. Containing Centella Asetica peptide, it helps to soothe irritated skin and contributes to cell regeneration. This concentration of active ingredients deeply penetrates the skin, hydrating it to its core. Apply 2 to 3 drops all over the face and gently spread while trying not to rub it in. Let it absorb into the skin. If your skin is especially dry or rough, you can layer the ampule 2 to 3 times a day to not only help your skin heal, but to protect it. The final step is the cream. It contains madecassoside, which is derived from the leaves of Centella Asetica, to soothe irritated skin. It also contains centella ceramide, which strengthens the skin barrier, leaving your skin protected. Apply a thin layer onto your skin and spread evenly over your face. You can either leave it at 1 layer or repeat several times to create a face pack. This is especially good at nighttime, before you go to bed. Leave the cream on overnight to give your skin a hydration boost. And there you have it, beautiful glowing skin in just 3 easy steps. Our Derma set is clinically proven to help not only reduce redness and soothe sensitive skin, but also to keep skin protected. Look after your skin with the Atomy Derma Real Cica set. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.